Good morning, student, and welcome to this session of class 7 computer. In this session, we are going to learn the chapter 2nd binary number system. In this session or in this chapter, we are going to learn the binary number system, converting decimal number to binary numbers, converting the binary numbers to decimal numbers, addition of binary numbers and subtraction of binary numbers. So all these topics we are going to learn in binary number system. Now see, let us start our chapter 2nd. You have studied in the previous lesson that a computer understands only two digits 0 and 1. We know that computer can only understand 0 and 1, means 0 and 1, these two digits are used in the computer language, and which are the components of machine language. These are the components of machine language. So these two numbers are used in the binary number system. See, now we start the binary number system. The binary number system represents a mathematical word where there are only two numeric values 0 and 1. Only two numeric values we can use, 0 and 1, and it is also known as the base 2 number system. Base 2 number system. This 0 and 1, 2 is called as this binary number system is called as a base 2 number system. Base 2 number system. The computer is an electronic machine and it recognizes only two states. On means true, and true is denoted by 1. And numerical representation is in this way. This is the electronic circuit. The electronic circuit is look like this. On, this is the button, on, and light is on, and this is the on. This circuit is complete. Here is the circuit is attached, means the circuit is complete, means true. True means 1. Again, the computer on denoted by numerical represents and as a symbolic representation, and off means false and denoted by 0 as a numerical representation. In this way, this is the symbolic representation. This is called symbolic representation. This representation is used in electronic devices. See, off, this button is off. Off means light is off, the circuit is off, means 0, means false. This is about the computer, and 0 and 1 are used in the binary number system. This is called binary number system. Now the next page. You are familiar that the decimal number system has 10 digits from 0 to 9. Just like binary number system, there is also a decimal number system, and decimal number system has 10 digits 0 to 9, and it is called the base 10 system. It is called base 10 system. See, this is the chart of decimal to binary conversion. 0 is represented as a 0000, means 40, means 4 bit are used in the binary number system. In decimal we can represent 0 only one digit, but in the binary system the 0 is represented by 4 bits, 0000. Decimal 1 is represented as a 0001. Decimal 2 is represented as a 0010. Decimal 3 is represented as a 0011. So this is the conversion of decimal to binary and binary to decimal. How this conversion is going on, that we will study now. See, However, the binary number system is used in computers because it has many advantages over the decimal number system for use in a computer system. Instead of using a decimal number system in computer, binary number system is used, and it is very advantageous. It is very advantageous over the decimal number system. Why? Because only 0 and 1, 2 digits are used. That's why it is advantageous. Now, how to converting decimal numbers to binary numbers? So, how it converts? This 0 is converted into 4 zeros. How it converts? That conversion we are going to learn now. See, since the computer only understand binary and humans, binary and humans are more adapt to use decimal. We are the humans. We are using decimal number system. 0 to 9. But computer can understand only 0 and 1. So it is essential for us to understand how to convert from one number system to another number system. How this conversion is taking place. To convert a decimal number to a binary number, divide the decimal number by 2. To convert decimal number to binary number, divide the decimal number by 2. And after each division, write the remainder on the right hand side. And this process should be continued till the quotient becomes 0. This process should be continued till the quotient becomes 0. And finally, we write the remainder from bottom to top in order to arrive at the binary equivalent. See, this is the example. Convert decimal number 189 into binary equivalent. How this can be solved? See, I will show you the demonstration. See, converting decimal to binary number. See, converting decimal to binary number. See, one example. Example first. How it convert? 189. This is the number. We have to convert this number to 180 in binary number system. This number is in decimal number. This number is in decimal form. This number is in decimal form. Now we have to convert in binary number system. See how it can convert. First we divide this number 189. We divide by base 2. Means we divide this number by base 2. 2. We know the table of 2. 2 nines are 18. So we write here 2 nines are 18. What remains? 9. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. How many remains? 1. 1 remainder. 1 remainder. 1. Again we divide 94 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Here 1 is remain. 1 upon 1, and this is the 1. 1 means 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. Remainder 0. Here remainder 0. Again we divide this 47 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 1 is remain. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. Again these 23 numbers we divide by 2. We have to go up to the quotient become 0. Up to the 0 we have to go. Again we divide this. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are 1. 1 is remainder. Remainder 1. Again we can divide this number. This 11. 11 is divided by again 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. Again this 5 is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. Again 2 1s are 2. Remainder 0. So in this way. Now what is the last step? Now all these are the remainders. These are. Now we have to write this remainder from bottom to top. In this way we have to write. First we write 0, bottom side 0, then we write 1, then we write 1, then we write this 1, then we write this 1, then we write again 0, then again we write 1. So this is about the all binary numbers. One remainder, this one remainder, 1 is 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. So this is the binary equivalent of number 189. This is the decimal number and this is the binary number. This is called conversion of decimal to binary number system. In this way you have to do the second example. 49. You convert this 49 number into binary number. How it converts? See, I will show you again. 49. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Remainder 1. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, remainder 0. 2 6 are 12, remainder 0. 2 6 are 2 3s are 6, remainder 0. 2 ones are 2, remainder 1. So this one remainder, and we have to go now from bottom to top. First we write this one, first we write this one, then we write this one, then we write this 0, then we write this 0, then we write this 0, then we write this 1. So this is called binary equivalent of 49 number. 49 decimal to binary equivalent. This is the conversion of decimal to binary number system. Now you write the homework and you solve the next example. Third example, 25, fourth is 75. This is homework. You solve this decimal number to binary number. Decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. Convert decimal to binary. Thank you, student, and we will come the next topic, conversion of binary number to decimal number, on the next session. Thank you. Good morning, student, and welcome to this session of converting a binary number to decimal number system. In the previous session, we learned the conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers. Now in this session we are going to learn binary numbers to decimal numbers. So let us start. Since we can convert a decimal number to binary, we need to also understand how to reverse calculate the same as well. Means in the previous section we learned conversion of decimal to binary, and now in this session we have to reverse the calculation, reverse the same calculation. To do the same, we should write each number of the binary numbers in slightly spaced manner. Slightly spaced manner means we have to write down the this binary number in separate form. Means we have to give the space between them. In this way we have to write we have to give the space. So what we say, write each number of the binary number in a slightly spaced manner. Then below each digit write the positional value in terms of power of 2, starting with 0 assigned to the rightmost digit in the binary number. See how this is the first row is the binary number system. Binary bits or binary numbers. Now in below the binary numbers, the position value of all bits, these bits, the position value means we have to write down the power of each binary number to 0, rightmost bit. In this way, 2 raised to 0. We have to round rightmost. We have to start from the rightmost position. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 7. In this way, the 8 digits, up to 8 digits we have to write down. And this is called as the position value. In this way we have to arrange. Next, then below each digit write the positional value in terms of power of 2. Starting with 0 assigned to the rightmost digit in the binary power. And the binary digits are multiplied with their position values. The binary digits are multiplied with their position values. And the products are added to get the decimal number. Whatever the product is coming, that product is nothing but the decimal number. See, here we arrange the binary bits in this way from left to right. 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. This is the binary number. And below the binary value we write the position value from rightmost position. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 7. And if we multiply this number to this number, 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0 means how many come? How much come? 2 raised to 0 into 1. How much come? 1. 2 raised to 1 multiply by 1. 2 raised to 1 multiply by 1 is 2. 2 raised to 2 multiply by 0 is 0. 2 raised to 3 multiply by 1 is 8. 2 raised to 4 multiply by 1 is 16. Means their products are writing here. Numeric value means their product. The multiplication of these two numbers, 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 and their product are right here. How it will follow or demonstrate? I will show you the demonstration. See, wait. Converting binary number to decimal number. First example, we give the binary number 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. This is the binary number. Now we have to convert in decimal. What is the decimal number? What is decimal number? Now we have to calculate. See, first we arrange this binary number in space manner. In the space manner, see how we arrange. From left side we arrange. First we take this first digit, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. The 8 digits we write here in the space manner. First we write this one. First we write this one here. This one here. This 0 here. This one here. This one here. This 0 here. This 0 here. This one here. In this way we write binary bits. We write binary bits. Now below this binary bits, below this binary bits we have to write the position value. What we have to write? The position value. What is the position value? See, we have to write here position value. First we write from rightmost digit, 2 raised to power of 0, 2 raised to power of 0, because we have to start from 0. So first, and why this 2 we are taking? Because we have to convert in binary digits. That's why we take the base value 2 and the power of 0. Then base value 2 power of 1. We have to increase the power now. In this way, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6, and 2 raised to 7. In this way, we are take the powers. Now we have to take the product. Numeric value. We have to take the product. We have to take the multiplication of this number. Multiplication. These two numbers we have to multiply. And we write here answer. Here we write here answer. C means numeric value. How we take? First we write down in this way. 2 raised to, first we write from this position, this one we take first, this 1 into this 2 raised to 7 plus this 0 take we here and multiply by 2 raised to 6, again plus this 0 and multiply by 2 raised to 5, again plus this 1 multiply by 2 raised to 4 plus this 1 multiply by 2 raised to 3 plus this 0 multiply by 2 raised to 2 again plus this 1 multiply by 2 raised to 1 again plus this 1 2 raised to 0 multiply by 2 raised to 0. So in this way we write from this digit to this digit multiply by these numbers in this way. 1 into 2 raised to 7 plus 0 into 2 raised to 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Now we have to calculate these numbers. How we calculate? 2 raised to 7. 2 raised to 7 means 2 raised to 7 means what? 2 raised to 7 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Means 2 is multiplied by 7 times. This is called 2 raised to 7. Now we calculate this. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32. 32 into 2, 64. 64 into 2, 128. Means 2 raised to 7 is 128. Same way, 2 raised to 6, how much? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. 32 into 2, 64. Same way, 2 raised to 5. Here, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2 raised to 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How much? 4, 8, 16. 2 raised to 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 2 raised to 2. 2 into 2 means 4. 2 raised to 1 means 2. 2 raised to 0 means 1. So in this way we have to calculate. Now this multiplication we have to write down here. 1 into 2 raised to 7, how many? 128. 2 raised to 7, 128. And 128 multiplied by 1. 128 plus 2 raised to 6, how much? 2 raised to 6, 64. So 64 multiplied by 0, 0 plus 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5, 32. But 2 raised to 5, 32. 32 into 0, 0 plus 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4, 16. 16 into 1, 16. 16 into 1, 16 plus 2 into 3, 2 raised to 3, how much? 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, 8. So 2 raised to 3, 8. 8 into 1, 8 into 1, 8 plus 2 raised to 2, 4. 4 into 0, 0 plus 2 raised to 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 raised to 1, how much? 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 1, 2. So 2 raised to 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 raised to 0, 1. 1 into 2 raised to 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1. So this is all calculated. Now we have to add these numbers. 128 plus 16. How much? For 128 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. This 0, 0 and 0 is drop out. Now what is the addition of this number? The addition of this number is 155. This is the decimal number. This is the decimal number 155. Now how we write this? We write these numbers. What is the binary number? This is our binary number. This is our binary number, and its answer is 155. This is the decimal number. This is the decimal number of this binary number. This is called the conversion of binary number system to decimal number system. Now I will give you the homework that you do at home. Homework. First, convert the binary number 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 2 into decimal number. Do this at home. Now, thank you students. I hope you enjoy the today's session. Now we will come the next topic on next session, that is the addition of binary numbers on the next session. Thank you. Good morning student, and welcome to this session of class 7 computer. In the last session we had studied the conversion of decimal to binary, binary to decimal. Now in this session we are going to learn the addition of binary numbers. What? Addition of binary number. So how this addition can take place, that we are going to learn now. See, there is a chart and there is a principles. Some rules are used in this addition of binary numbers. See, this is the chart how to additions can take place. A number, B number, and A plus B. If A number is 0, B number is 1, B number is 0, so 0 plus 0 is equal to, the addition is 0 in binary number system. If A number is 0 and B number is 1, the addition 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. If A number is 1, B number is 0, the addition 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. If A number is 1, B number is 1, the addition of A plus B is equal to 0. But there is a 2 digits and 1 digit is carry over to the left side, means here we can write here. In this way the addition is 0. 1 plus 1 is addition is 0, and we can write the 1 on left side, and this number is called as a carry. This 1 is add to the left side number. Now we will solve the example. See, example first. Add binary numbers 1001 and second binary number 01012. In this way the binary numbers are right, means this is the system to write the binary numbers in this way. This 2 is called as a base 2. This 2 is called as a base 2. This is the number. This is the first binary, one binary number and second binary number. Now we will do the addition here. We can write separately here 1 0 0 1, this number. Now we write this number here 0 1 0 1. In this way we will write the number. Now these are the binary numbers, and what is that? What is the addition of this number? See, 1 plus 1. We know 1 plus 1 is addition is 0, and the 1 is carry to the left side number. 1 plus 1 0, and we can give the carry to the left side number. Now we will do the addition of these numbers. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. And 0 plus this carry number is 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. The addition is 1 here. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1. In this way, the addition takes place in the binary number system. Now, this is the binary number. Now, what is the decimal numbers of this number? This number 1001. Its decimal number is, we can calculate here. How we can calculate? In this way. This 1 into 2 raised to 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 raised to 3. This 0 into 2 raised to 2. This 0 plus 0 into 2, 0 into 2 raised to 1. This 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. What is the answer of this? 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Means this number is 9. What this number is? This number 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 0, 1 is 1, 2, 4, 8. This 4 and this 1. 4 and 1, 5. Means addition of 9 and 5 is 13. In this way, this number is also comes 13. See, 0 means 2 raised to 0, and here 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. This is 0. This is 2. 2 raised to 2, 4. 4 into 1, 4. 2 raised to 3, 8. 8 into 1, 8. What is the addition of this number? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 12 plus, here is 14. Sorry. 9 plus 5, 14. This number is 14. Means our addition of these two numbers is 14. Means this addition is perfect. We will solve the next example in this way also. See, example second. Now we will solve 1 0 1 0 2 and second is 1 1 0 1 2. Now we will solve 1 0. We write this number here 1 0 1 0. This number 1 1 0 1. We can do the addition. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 0 plus 1 1, and 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, and that 1 carry, and that carry is here, and this is called as a carry. Means these are the addition of these two numbers. So what is the equivalent decimal number of this decimal binary number? 1 2 4 8. So 1 2 4 8. 4 and 1 are 0. Then 2 and 8. 8 plus 2 10. 1 2 4 8. 2 is 0. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8, 13. Means what is the answer of this? 23. 23 is correct here. Check it now. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. Now we will solve this 2 raised to 0, 1, 2 raised to 1, 2, 2 raised to 2, 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, 8, but 8 into 0, 0, 2 raised to 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, how many comes? 23. Means our addition is perfect. Our addition is perfect. In this way we can add two binary digit numbers. Now I will give you the homework to you, and you do at home. Homework. See, first 1 0 0 1 and 1 1 0 0. Second 0 1 1 0 and 0 0 0 1. These two addition you do at home. This is the homework. Thank you, student. I hope you enjoy the today's session. We will come the subtraction of binary numbers on the next session. Thank you. Good morning, student, and welcome to this session of class 7 computer. In this session we are going to learn the complement of binary numbers. What? Complements of binary numbers. What is mean by complement? Complement means interchanging of zeros with ones and ones with zero. See, complement means interchanging of binary numbers. Binary numbers, zeros with ones and ones with zeros is called complement of binary number. So how this can be takes place, that we are going to learn now. See, for example, if we take 0 1 0 1 binary number, this binary number we take, what is the ones complement? Ones, there are two complements, ones complement and two complement. What is ones complement? How the ones complement can be find? Ones complement. See, just interchanging the ones with zero. How it can change? 1 with 0, 0 with 1, 1 with 0 and 0 with 1. This is called ones complement of this binary number. Ones complement of this binary number. Now how the twos complement is calculated? Twos complement. See, just adding one number to the ones complement. Just adding one number to ones complement number. Add one number to ones complement. We will get the directly twos complement number of this number. See, 0 plus 1, we know that 1, 1 as it is, 0 as it is, 1 as it is. This is the two complement of this binary number. Twos complement of this binary number. This is called the complement of binary number. Means complement of addition of complement number, ones complement and twos complement. Now I will give the second example. See, this is the first example. I will show you the next example. First we will take a binary number 1 1 0 0 1 0. This is the binary number. Binary number. We have to take the addition of we have to take the ones complement of this binary number. Ones complement of this binary number. What is the ones complement? See, first we write ones complement. Ones complement. 0 is 0 is interchanging 1 is interchanging to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0 and 1 to 0. This is called ones complement. This is called ones complement of this binary number. Now, what is the twos complement? What is the twos complement? What is the twos complement of this binary number? We have to calculate the twos complement of this binary number. How? Just adding 1 to this ones complement. Add 1. 1 plus 1, we know the addition rule. 1 plus 1, 0, and there are 2 digits. And the 1 digit we just carry over to the next left digit. 1 plus 1, 10, but we take here 0 and 1 is to the next digit. And then we take the addition of these two numbers. 0 plus 1, we know that 1. 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 0 as it is, 0 as it is. Means this is the twos complement. This is the twos complement number of this binary number. In this way, we can take the complement of binary number by ones complement and by twos complement. In this way, we can take this complement. Now, the next topic is subtraction of binary numbers. The next topic is subtraction of binary numbers. Subtraction of binary numbers. How the subtraction can takes place? How the subtraction can be takes place in binary number system? There is also two system to take the subtraction of binary numbers by ones complement method, and by twos complement method. By these two methods, we have to calculate the subtraction of binary numbers. How it will take? See, first we learn the chart of subtraction. First we take the two numbers A, B, and A minus B. See, A number is 0, B number is 0. Then the subtraction of 0 minus 0 is 0. A number is 0, B number is 1. Then we subtract 0 from 1 from 0. Then we have to take the subtraction is 1. We have to take the borrow a number from left side. We have to borrow one number from left side digit. The subtraction of 0 minus 1 is 1, and we take the 1 from left side. We take the borrow from left side. Again, A number is 1, B number is 0. The subtraction 1 minus 0 is 1. The subtraction of 1 minus 0 is 1. Again, subtraction, A number is 1, B number is 1, the subtraction of 1 minus 1 is 0. So these are the chart of subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, and 1 minus 1, 0. So this chart you have to remember. Now we will solve the examples now. See, now we have to do the subtraction of binary numbers. There are two methods of subtraction. First method we will see now. Binary subtraction using 1's complement. Binary subtraction using 1's complement. There is a 6 steps. Which are the 6 steps? Take two binary equivalent decimal numbers. Two binary equivalent. First step first, take two binary numbers. Take two binary numbers. Step second, equalize the number of bits. Equalize the number of bits. In both the bits in both binary numbers. This is the second step. Step third, obtain 1's complement of 1's complement of subtrahend. Subtrahend means the number which to be subtracted. That is called subtrahend. Step 4, add the complement value to the minute. Add the complement value to the minute. Minute means what? Minute means what? Number minute. Minute means what? Number from which subtraction is to be performed. Number from which subtraction is to be performed. That is called minute. Now step 5. See, what is the step 5? Check the carry value. Check the carry value. If carry value is there, then add 1 to the sum to get the result. If carry value is there, if the carry value is there, then add 1 to the sum to get the result. Now step 6. What is step 6? See, if there is no carry value, if there is no carry value, obtain ones complement. Obtain ones complement. Ones complement of the sum to get the result. So these are the 6 steps. What is the first step? Take 2 binary numbers. Take 2 binary numbers. Now we will solve the example step by step. This is the example. Now first example. First we take 2 binary numbers. See, 1 1 0 0 1. This is the first binary number. Okay, again we take 1 0 0 0. This is the second binary number. This is the second binary number. These two are the binary numbers. This is our first step. Take 2 binary numbers. We are taking 2 binary numbers. Now second step. What is the second step? Here, equalize the numbers of bits in both binary numbers. Equalize the number of bits in both binary numbers by zeros on the left side. Zeros on the left side. These two numbers are not equal. Here 1 2 3 4 5. 5 bits are there, and here 1 2 3 4. Only 4 bits are there. So these binary numbers are not in equalize in bits. So we have to add 0. We have to add the 0 on left side. Now we add the 0 on left side. Now these two numbers are equalize in bits. Equalize in bits. Though second step is done. Now what is third step? See, what is third step? Obtain ones complement of subtrahend. Obtain ones complement of subtrahend. Subtrahend means what? Number to be which subtracted. This number, second number, is called as a subtrahend. This number, this second number is called as a subtrahend, because this number is to be subtracted from this number. Now this is called as a subtrahend. Equation second is called as a binary number second is called as a subtrahend number. And what is our rule? Obtain the ones complement of subtrahend. Now first we take the ones complement. Ones complement. See, ones complement. See, 0 1 0 0 0. How we will take this ones complement? Just interchanging the bits. 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So this is the equation 3. This is the equation 3. Means this is the ones complement of this number. Ones complement of this number. Now what is the next step? Step 4. What is step 4? Add the complement value to the minute. Add the complement value to the minute. Means minute means what? Number from which subtraction is to be performed. The number from which the subtraction is to be performed, that is called minute. Now this is the this second number is subtrahend. This number is subtrahend. The first number is minute. This number is called as a minute. Means this number is subtracted from this number. So the equation 3, ones complement is add this number is this equation third is add to the minute number. Now we take the addition of add we will take here add the complement. Now first we take this number. First we take the minute number, and in this minute number we add the ones complement number. This addition we take place. See, what is that number? 1 1 0 0 1. This is the equation first, and what is the ones complement? 1 0 1 1 1. This is the equation 3. We take the addition of these numbers. What happens? See, what happens? Addition of this minute and ones complement. Minute and ones complement. We know that. So we take the addition of this number. We know the addition rule. 1 plus 1, 2 digits. 1 plus 1 is 0, but 2 digits are coming. 1 we take on left side, carry. 1 we take on left side, carry. 1 plus 1 0, and 1 on the left side, carry over. So 0 plus 1 we know that 1. 0 plus 1 1, and 1 plus 1 again 2 numbers. 1 is 0 and 1 is carry over. Again we can do the addition of these numbers. 0 plus 1 1, and 1 plus 1 again 2 digit numbers. One answer is 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 0 1, and 1 plus 1 again 2 digits. Answer is 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 2 digits, 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 is 2 digit answer. 10 means 0 and 1 is carry, and that 0 plus this one, the 0 plus this one is 1, and this one is as it is. So this is the addition of ones complement and minute number. This is the fourth step. Now what is the fifth step? We know the fifth step. What is the fifth step? Check the carry value. If carry value is there, then add 1 to the sum to get the result. Check the carry value. We know the carry value. Here is the carry value. 1 is carry. This number is carry. We know that. This number is carried. So we add 1 to this number. This is the step 5. Check the carry value. If carry value is there, then add 1 to the sum to get the result. Now in this number, the carry is there. So we add 1 to this number. This is called equation 4. Now we add, since step 4, since there is a carry, so ignore it and add 1 to equation 4. So add 1 to equation 4. Now we will do this here. Equation 4, 1 1 0 0 0 0. This is the equation 4. We write here equation 4 and add 1. This is the fifth step. Add 1 to this number. Now we will do the addition. We will do the addition. First we ignore this carry. While doing the addition of equation 4, we will ignore this 0. We will ignore this 1. This one carry 1 we ignore. Now we add 1 to this equation. 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. This is the result of two binary subtraction number. Which are our two binary numbers? These are two binary numbers, 11001 and 1000. These two numbers subtraction is here. This is the result. What is the result? We write here in this way, 11001. This is the binary number subtraction. 1002 and this is the result we write here, 1001. These are the binary subtraction using ones complement method. If we want to check our answer is correct, first we convert this binary number to decimal number, then we will understand our subtraction is correct or not. We convert this number. This is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 16 or 8, 24 and 1, 25. Minus 1, 2, 4, 8. This is the 8. Now 25 minus 8 is equal to how much? 17. 17. This number is 17. Check. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Means our answer is correct. This answer is correct. So in this way, the binary subtraction using ones complement is done. Thank you, student. I hope you enjoy the today's session. Now in the next session we will come the binary subtraction using twos complement. Thank you. Good morning, student, and welcome to this session of the class 7 computer. In this session we are going to learn the binary subtraction using ones complement method. Binary subtraction. Binary subtraction using ones complement. See, there are 6 steps in binary subtraction using ones complement. Which are these 6 steps? See, first take two binary numbers. Second, equalize the number of bits. Equalize. If the two binary numbers are not in same in bits, so equalize the number of bits. The number of bits in both the binary number system. Both the binary numbers by adding zeros on the left side. zeros on the left side. This is the second step. Third step, add the complement value, obtain one's complement of subtrahend. Obtain one's complement. We know how to take the one's complement of binary number. So obtain one's complement of subtrahend. Subtrahend means number which to be subtracted. Subtrahend means number which to be subtracted. That is called subtrahend. Fourth step, add the complement value to the minute. Add the complement value to the minute. Minute means what? Number from which subtraction is to be performed. Minute means what? Number from which subtraction is to be performed. That is called minute. Step 5. What is step 5? Check the carry value. Check the carry value. If there is any carry is present in the result, if the carry value is there, then add 1 to the sum. Then add 1 to the sum to get the result. Then sixth step, if there is no carry, carry value. If there is no carry value, obtain 1. Obtain one's complement of the sum to get the result. These are the 6 steps for binary subtraction using one's complement method. Now we will solve the examples by these 6 rules or by these 6 steps. Example first. First we take 2 binary numbers. 2 binary numbers means subtract 1 0 0 0 2. This is the binary number, first binary number, and its equivalent decimal number is 8. This is the first binary number, and this number in equivalent decimal number is 8. Means 8 is written in binary number in this way. And second, subtract this 8 from 1 1 0 0 1 2, and this binary number is equivalent to 25. How 25 is here? 1 2 4 8 16. 1 2 4 8 16. 16 plus 8 24. This is 0, this is 0. So, and this one, the 24 plus 1 25. In this way, how this 8 is coming? 1 2 4 8. These 3 are 0, so that's 8 is here. We had already studied how to convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary in the last session. So subtract 8 from 25 means subtract 8 from 25 in this way. This subtraction means how much come? 17. This answer we have to calculate now, but we have to do by the binary subtraction using ones complement. So first we start the first step. First take two binary numbers, and second step equalize the number of bits in both the binary number by adding zeros on the left side. These are the two numbers. Step first, two numbers we have to take, 1 1 0 0 0. This number we take first, and we assign this number as equation 1, and this number we take as a equation 2, 0 0 1. This is the equation 2. Now here the equation 1 is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 bits are there, but in equation 2 1 2 3 4 only 4 bits are there. So we have to equalize. What is our second step? Second step, equalize the number of bits in both the binary number by adding zeros on the left side. So we add here 0. Our second step is we add 0 to equation second. So equation 2 is here, we add 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is the equation second. This is equation second. Okay, we are adding zeros, on left side. So now step 3. What is step 3? See, what is step 3? Obtain the ones complement subtrahend. So here which is subtrahend and which is minute. This second number is called as a subtrahend. This second equation is called as a subtrahend, and this is called as a minute. This number is called as a minute and this number is called as a subtrahend. Means subtrahend means what? Number which is to be subtracted, and minute means what? Number from which subtraction is to be done. Minute means what? Number from which the subtraction is to be done. Now what we do? Our third step, obtain ones complement of subtrahend. So we have to take the ones complement of equation second. Ones complement of equation second. Which is equation second? This is the equation second. So we have to take the equation second. Here is the 0. This is the 0, because this number is here. This number is here. So this is the wrong. It is a 0 here. Now ones complement of equation second. Ones complement. What is that equation? 0 1 0 0 0. Okay, this is equation second. So we have to take the complement, ones complement of this binary number. So how we take the ones complement? See, just interchanging the zeros to 1 and ones to 0. We change 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So this is the ones complement, and we give the equation 3. 1 0 1 1 1. So it is equation 3. Now what is our fourth step? What is our fourth step? Add the complement value to the minute. Add the complement value to the minute. Add the complement value. So how we can add? See, step 4. Step 4. Add the complement value. This complement value means equation 3 we can add to equation 1. We can add equation 3 to equation 1. This is the equation 1. This is equation 1. So add complement value. Add complement value. So first we write equation first. What is equation first? This is the equation first. 1 1 0 0 1. This is equation first. And what is equation 3? This is equation 3. We add this equation to equation 1. 1 0 1 1 1. So it is equation 3. Correct? So we know the addition rule. 1 plus 1, answer is 0, and 1 bit is remain, and that bit we carry to the left side. So 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, and 1 plus 1, again result is 0, and 1 carry to the next bit. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, again result 0, and 1 bit to next bit. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, again 0, result is up to the carry is up to the next digit. 1 plus 1, 1, result is 0, and we give the carry to the next, and that 0 plus 1 is 1, and this one again here. So this is the equation 4. This is the addition of equation 1 and equation 3. Now our step 5. What is step 5? Check the carry value. If carry value is there, yes, here carry value. This is the carry. Carry is present. Carry is present means this is the carry value. This is the carry value. Carry is present. So what is our fifth rule? Check the carry value. If the carry value, check the carry value. If the carry value is there, then add 1 to the sum to get the result. So we have to add 1. We have to add 1 in the equation 4. We have to add the 1 in equation 4. So how we can do? Step 5. Add 1 to equation 4 and ignore carry. So first we have to ignore the carry, then add 1. What is equation 4? We know that equation 4 is 1 1 0 0 0 0. This is equation 4. So first we ignore carry. We know this is the carry. We ignore this. So we write down only 0 0 0 0 and 1. This is the by ignoring the carry, this is the equation 4. Now we add 1. Add 1 plus we add 1 here, not here. So we know the addition rule. 0 plus 1, 1, 0 0 0 0 and 1. This is the result we get. This is the result we get 1 0 0 0 1 2. What is it means? 1 0 0 0 1 means 17. This number, this binary number is decimal equivalent to 17. We know 25 minus 8 is equal to 17. Means our answer is correct. In this way, binary subtraction using 1's complement is done. Now we will solve the another example using 1's complement. So example 2. Here the same numbers we take here. In the example first we take 8 number 25 minus 8 means this number is minus from this number. Now the same example we take in the example 2, but in that we take 8 minus 25. In the example 2 we do 8 minus 25 is equal to minus 17. This type of calculation we have to do. So for that purpose we take two binary numbers of 8 and binary numbers of 25. We know the binary numbers of 8. 8 is equivalent to which number? 1 0 0 0. This is the binary equivalent, and 25 is equal to 1 1 0 0 1. This is the 25 equivalent. So we have to subtract 25 from 8 in this calculation by using 1's complement. So how we can do this? First take two equations. First we know that add 0 to left side of binary number. We know 1 0 0 0 and 1 1 0 0 1. So this is only 4 digit and this is 5 digit. We have to equalize. So we add 0 on this number. We add 0. So what is the equation? 0 1 0 0 0 and 1 1 0 0 1. So it is the equation. We assign the equation. This is as a equation 2 and this is equation 1. Now we have to take step second. What the step second? Obtain 1's complement of equation 2. 1's complement of equation second. 1's complement of equation first. What is equation first? 1 1 0 0 1. What is the 1's complement of this number? Just interchanging the 1's to 0 and 0 to 1. 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0. So this is equation 3. This is equation 3. Means these are the ones equation of equation first. Now what is our step 3? Step 3. Obtain one's complement, then add the one's complement of subtrahend value. One's complement of subtrahend value. So how we do? See, let us check now. One's complement. Now add this one's complement to equation 1. So what is equation 2? What is equation 2? 0 1 0 0 0. This is the equation 2. And what is one's equation? That is one's complement. What is one's complement? This is the one's complement, means equation 3. 0 0 1 1 0, equation 3. Now we have to add this number. 0 plus 0, we know 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. This is the equation 4. So since there is no carry here, what is step 4? Step 4 is check the carry value is there. In this equation 4, in equation there is no carry value. So what is step 5? What is step 5? If there is no carry value, obtain one's complement of that result. So if there is no carry value, obtain one's complement of that number. So we have to take the one's complement of equation 4. What is equation 4? 0 1 1 1 0. This is equation 4. What is it? One's complement. What is one's complement? 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 1 0 to 1. 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, and 0 to 1. This is the one's complement of this equation. And this is the result. This is the result of subtraction of this number and this number. So how we can write this? 1 0 0 0 2 subtract 1 1 0 0 1 2 is equal to what result we get? 1 0 0 0 1 2. Here is 8 minus 25 is equal to minus 70. Means this is when we subtract the largest number from a biggest number in binary number system, the result will be in negative. The result will be in indicates in negative. So this is the answer of this number. See, 1 2 4 8 16. 16 plus 1 17, but that is indicates in negative sign. This is the result. So in this way we can do the binary subtraction using 1's complement. Thank you student. I hope you enjoy the today's session. The next topic, binary subtraction using 2's complement, on the next session. Thank you. Good morning student and welcome to this session. In this session we are going to solve the binary subtraction using 2's complement method. What is 2's complement method? See, there are 6 steps that we are going to see now. Step first, take 2 binary values. Second step, equalize the number. Equalize the number of bits. Number of bits in both binary numbers by adding zeros and ones on left side. Third step, obtain 2's complement of subtrahend. Obtain 2's complement of subtrahend. You know the meaning of subtrahend? Number which is to be subtracted. Subtrahend means number which is to be subtracted. That is called subtrahend. Now step 4, add the complement value to the minuend. Add the complement value to the minuend. Minuend means what? Number from which subtraction is to be performed. So that is called minuend. These are called as a minuend. Now what is step 5? Check the carry value. Check the carry value. If carry value is there, then ignore it and keep the value as a result. Step 6, if there is no carry value, obtain 2's complement. Obtain 2's complement of the sum to get result. So these are the 6 steps to do the binary subtraction using 2's complement method. Now we will solve the example. Example first. What is example first? Subtracting 1 1 0 0 1 2 equivalent to 25 from 1 0 0 0 2 equivalent to 8. Using 2's complement method. Using 2's complement method. So, how we can solve this example? First step, take two binary numbers respectively. Take two binary numbers. What is binary number? First 1 1 0 0 1. This is the equation first. Then 1 0 0 0. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. So these are the two binary numbers. Now equation 1 is considered as a subtrahend. Equation 1 is considered as a subtrahend. This equation is considered as a subtrahend. You know the meaning of subtrahend. Number which is to be subtracted, and number second is considered as a minute. Number from which subtraction is to be performed. So these are the two numbers. Now step first, take two binary numbers. Then step second, equalize the number. Equalize the numbers. So how we can equalize the number second, equation number second, 1 0 0 0. How equalize? We just add 0. So 0 0 0 0, we add here 0. So this is the equation second. Now what is step 3? Step 3 is what? Obtain 2's complement. Obtain 2's complement of subtrahend. Obtain 2's complement of subtrahend. 2's complement. Now we have to do the subtrahend. 2's complement. 2's complement of which number? This number. Equation second. This equation. 2's complement. So 2's complement. So 2's complement of equation 2. So how we'll do? 0 1 0 0 0. First we have to convert in 1's complement, then convert in 2's complement. How we convert in 1's complement? 1's complement. Just changing the digit. 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. This is the 1's complement. And in 1's complement we add 1. Then we will get the 2's complement. 1 plus 1, the result is 0 and 1 is to carry. 1 plus 1, result is 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, result is 0, 1 is carry. 0 plus 1, 1 and 1 here. So this is the equation 3. This is called equation 3. Now what is our step 4? Add the complement value. What is our step 4? Step 4 is add the complement value to the minute. Add the complement value to the minute. So means add this equation 3 to equation 1. Equation 3 is add to equation 1. So we will do this now. Step 4. add 2's complement to the minond. Which is the minond? Minond is equation first. Equation first is the minond. Now equation first 1 1 0 0 1, this is equation first. And the equation 3, which is get the 2's complement, that is nothing but 1 1 0 0 0. This is equation 3. We have to add these two equations. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, and 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, answer is 0, and 1 is carry, and that 0 plus 1 1, and this 1 is carry. This is called carry. This is called carry. Means carry is present in the result. This is our result, but the carry is present. What is step 5? Step 5 is check the carry value. Check the carry value. If carry value is present, ignore the carry value and keep the result as it is. Keep the result as it is. Means we have to check. Here carry is present. Carry is present. So means we have to ignore this carry and this is the result. Keep as it is. Means 1 0 0 0 1. Only this is the answer. We are ignoring this carry. And this is the perfect result. In this way, we calculate binary subtraction using 2's complement. How we can write the whole equation? 1 1 0 0 1 2 minus 1 0 0 0 2 is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 2. Got it now? So in this way we can calculate. Now in this way we calculate the binary subtraction using 2's complement method. I hope you enjoy today's session. Now this is the end of this chapter. Now on the next session we will come the next chapter. Thank you.